All right, let's make this awesome bologna sandwich. This is going to be a tutorial, and we're going to use a brioche bun. We're going to toast our bun with mayo on it first. Put some mayo on there. Put it right into your skillet. Just want to put a little bit just for the toasting of it. Okay. I'm going to toast our bun up, our brioche bun. We're going to take it out. You see that bun? That's what it's looking like. What you're going to do next is this is go in with your bologna. Okay. We're going to let this bologna fry up, guys. Get your little color on there. Flip the bologna over. All right. And what you want to do next after that is put your mayo and your mustard on. Gonna hurry up and put your mayo on one side. Your mustard on the other. Add your cheese to your bologna. You want more than one slice, go right ahead. And there, I'm gonna put one more cheese on top. Okay, they requested 2 slices of cheese. I'm gonna go with this one on the top of that one. Make sure it melts a little, just like that. All right, we're gonna put that right there, just like that. And guys, voila, look at there. Your gourmet bologna sandwich, easily made. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. Tell me how you make your gourmet bologna sandwich. Remember, to make a gourmet bologna sandwich, you just need to change up, get you a nice bread and a nice sauce. Voila! Bye-bye.